because of this, we can't go outside. So here's some of my tips on how to survive lockdown. Now, something that you might want to consider doing is having a structure for your day. So if you have just like a time that you wake up or a time that you decide to have a meal, then that provides a little bit of structure which can go a long way in the day, and it can be a little bit reassuring because it's something to fall back on. Something else that you could do is have something different within that schedule or structure that you do on the weekends only, so that it can differentiate the weekends from the weekdays, which stops the whole week merging together. And something else you could do is take up a new hobby, like painting, baking, or anything like that. This can provide a distraction from the situation, but it can also keep you entertained. And something that's recommended that you do is exercise, whether that's inside or outside. It's always a good idea to keep exercising because it's good for you and it can provide a distraction as well as learning a new hobby. Now, on a final note, I think it's important with this situation to make sure that you stay aware of the situation but not obsessed with it, and always remember to stay safe, wash your hands, and save the NHS.